Kumsi benta jong jing Rakhe ke jingdap spa life away Snem ha ke jing sakri ya ke imlang salang ban penang pensta di kena ha ke artari unai lur ka Mawkhar Christian Higher Secondary School Chelong kala penlong ya ke jing Rakhe ya ke foundation day ne ka sngi ke belaseng ya ke ni school ya ke ni ke jing Rakhe la plie du sembut menteri rang ba ke jela uba preston tensong kum kongsan rengkat ke jing edan lang UMLE ke North Chelong constituency uba Adelbert Nongrum u principal ke MCHSS uba AH Nongbet ki dukot jang managing committee bat kiwe ki bela syakot songba uba preston bat uba Adelbert kila pun kop buram mi ki kena ki bela pas ba ha ke examen SSLC bat HSSLC bat kila pun kop buram ru ikinang hikai ki bela hikai palat ia ke arpusan Snem bat lapin ipu iping ia ke ni jing Rakhe de ki kena skul ki bela simenta ha ke ban syat bat ruai ki bela pun sultanat ia baru uba preston tensong ulong ba ulong kumni kumba ulong menta kadai namar jong ke Skul Mawkhar Christian namar la yo e ke jing nang jing start bat pendap e ke jing puli ke jong u na kan ke skul house Snem khat khandai spa prapulai ulong ba kum kena skul ubarim rengkat bat kiwe pat ki parlok ki beli skul lang ken saya lum yo senyang bat ken no sipolak tengka ya kan ke skul bat ulong ru ba kum usembut menteri rang ba on saya keren bat ke sarkar ban le ai na kabentakan ke skul ke bala ajing nang jing start bat saya bungut kibrio ki bala ai ke jing sakri ke imnan salang ha ki liang ba per ula kentu ikinang hikai baki kena skul baki de ben tresitam banwan rak biang ya kanam jong ke skul namar ha ki por ki ba mensua bun ki kena jong ke skul ki juwan sakmat bha ha ke examen matric.
Let me tell you one story. The moment I completed my matriculation here, 1983. You know, I was so curious to see the day the embossed result declared. And I'm very, very excited to see my school, Mawkhar Christian School, is in the top 10. I would request our respected principal, please go back to the history, go to the report. After 1987-88, I never see the name of Mawkhar Christian anymore. Very unfortunate. Mawkhar Christian's name on the top 10 was no longer there. Such a tallest people throughout the state, be it in politics, be it in social life, be it in the offices, be it in the religious life. Let me just tell you, things happen because of Mawkhar Christian. So I would request the members, the president of the governing body, let us try to bring back the name, the fame, in the name of Mawkhar Christian Higher Secondary School. Let us go back to the history and let us try to bring it up again, the history of Mawkhar Christian High School.
The mountains are his, the rivers are his, the stars are his handiwork too. My God is so great, so strong and so mighty, there's nothing my God cannot do for you. My God is so great, so strong and so mighty, there's nothing my God cannot do. My God is so great, so strong and so mighty, there's nothing my God cannot do. The mountains are his, the rivers are his, the stars are his handiwork too. My God is so great, so strong and so mighty, there's nothing my God cannot do for you.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.